In problem number 23, we're given two equations, told that k is a constant, and we're told that these two equations produce graphs that are tangent to each other at some point or at some points. And we're supposed to find the possible values of k. Well, there's a couple things we can think of. First of all, if we get y by itself in this first equation, we'll get y equals k minus x. And we know that if these graphs are tangent, then the y values are equal at a value of x. So we can take each y value and set them equal to each other. K minus x equals 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus x plus 1. And that doesn't seem to help a whole lot, because well, we don't know how to solve this. We can add x to both sides and get k equals, we can add x to both sides and get k equals 2x cubed minus 9x squared. The minus x and plus x will eliminate each other. And then what is that? Plus 1. Well, that's a start, but we still have more work to do because these are not numerical values. So remember something else. If these equations are tangent, if these graphs are tangent, that means their slopes will be the same, and then therefore their derivatives will be the same at some value of x. So we get y prime for the first equation. Get y prime. The derivative of k, the constant, is 0. And the derivative of minus x is negative 1. Now if we come over to the second equation and find its derivative, we get y prime is 6x squared minus 18x minus 1, and then plus 0. So now, if we take these derivatives and set them equal to each other, we'll get negative 1 equals 6x squared minus 18x minus 1. Now we just have to solve this equation. If we add 1 to both sides, 0 equals 6x squared minus 18x plus 0. And now we can factor and solve. We can take out a 6 and an x from each term. That will leave us with x minus 3. Remember the zero product property. Two values multiplied equals 0. So either 6x is 0 or x minus 3 is 0, leaving us x equals 0 or x equals 3. Now we have to be careful because we have two numbers, and if you look at the multiple choice options, you can see that 0 and 3 is listed. But these are x values. They didn't ask us for x values. They asked us for values of k. So now what we need to do is take these values and find out what the values of k are. So let's start with x equals k will be 2 times 0 cubed minus 9 times 0 squared plus 1. That's just going to make 1. So k could equal 1. Now let's put, what was the other one? 3. Let's put 3 in place of x. And k will be 2 times 3 cubed minus 9 times 3 squared plus 1. Let's do some arithmetic now. 3 cubed is 27 times 2 is 54. I'm going to have to write this down. We're going to get 54. 3 squared is 9 times 9, so it's minus 81. And then plus 1. See, 54 minus 81. It's going to be negative 27 plus 1 is negative 26. So k could be positive 1 or k could be negative 26. And this matches option letter E. I hope that was helpful. As always, thank you for watching the video.